everyone, this is Erin Gates from LizzyKnits and Three Birds Yarn Studio, and I'm going to demonstrate the knit two together through the back loop decrease stitch. So this can be abbreviated as k2tog TBL, means knit two together through the back loop. This is a decrease stitch that's worked over 2 stitches and turns it into 1, and it leans to the left. Okay, I got a few normal knit stitches out of the way on my swatch here. And now let's do the knit two together TBL. So unlike normal knitting where you would go through the front, this is through the back loop. So you take your right needle, insert into the back of the next 2 stitches. Okay, and you will simply knit those together as you normally would. Okay. So if you've knit through the back loop before, you know that it creates twisted stitches. So now you see the top stitch on the front is slightly twisted, but now we only have 1 stitch instead of 2. Okay, let's do that again. So take the next 2 stitches, the right needle through the back loop of both of those. Okay, and then wrap your yarn and knit those 2 together. And you get 1 stitch on the right needle. Okay, one more time. Okay, and you are working solely through the back loops. Okay, back of the loops, wrap the yarn, and there you go. That's what it looks like at the end. Nice little left-leaning twisted decrease stitches. Okay, thanks for watching.